Okay, welcome everybody. Today we've got Princess Leia and her, depending on how many Boushh, Boushh. There's no definitive pronunciation because I looked. Pretty good details all around. Got the, all the way. This is when they had really honed in their action figure design, I think. Got all the details on the back, the cape and her toga or whatever you want to call that. And I actually do have her weapon, which is, I think, strictly meant to be held like this because it's unrealistic. There's no shoulder stock. It's a pistol grip. It just doesn't. That doesn't seem a very efficient way to do weaponry. So I'm pretty sure it's just to hold it sort of prop herself up. And amazingly somehow, I still have the mask. A little bit of damage here on the top, but everything else looks pretty good. And it does still just pop right on for her full disguise. It was stored with it on her head, so that's why I still have it. I think this, I remember getting this. I remember taking it to school with me, and I'm amazed I didn't lose this thing at school because I lost everything. I was one of those halfway careless kids. But I say it does a pretty fair job. You doing a full coverage, for a toy from the 80s. And I write the stuff here on the. I actually remember what this all this stuff is. There was at one point bubble gum that came in a tube that was utterly terrible and useless and terrible. It was terrible gum, terrible tasting, just terrible all around. But I wanted to get everything I could of it, and this was the only thing I could think of to stick down there and try and grab more of it out. So I don't know what's on this end, but on this end I know that was that tube gum. I forget what it's called, but there it is. But that's what the contamination is, I guess you'd call it. But there she is. I'm shocked that I still had the mask. It was her and Lando in the Jabba's Palace Guard that came with the helmet mask things, removable. And I think I've already shown Lando's, and I've long since lost his mask. But there she is. But anyways, folks, hey, thanks for watching. Come back on Monday. We'll do some more.